Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. Now let's show you how to create a cinematic text reveal in CapCut. This is great for intros or anything like that for your YouTube videos. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, what we need to do is come to the top here and select text and drag any text file onto your timeline. And let's keep this simple and just write text. Let's change the colour and make font adjustments and font size adjustments. Then we want to drag the length of the text to around 6 to 7 seconds. Then we want to right click and select Create Compound Clip. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. Come to the start of the clip, come up to the top right hand corner, select Video, then Mask. Then we want to select Mirror. We want to adjust the angle here. Around 70 should be perfect. Close the gap slightly. And then feather like this. You can make it bigger or smaller, but I reckon you only want to see 1 or 2 of the words at most. You can always come back and adjust this at any stage, but we'll leave it like that. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is move the mask so it's off all the text and you can't see any text. We'll move it to the left. You can move it to the right if you wish. Then we want to come down and select Position and add a keyframe and size. Now you want to move the playhead along around a second. Move it to the opposite side. Then add a keyframe to the position and size. Move the playhead along around a second again. Move it to the opposite side again. Add a keyframe once again to the position and size. Move the playhead once again along around a second. Move the mask to the middle of the screen like this. Once again, add a keyframe to position and size. Move the playhead for the last time along around a second. Then open the mask fully, so all the text is revealed. Add a keyframe to that position. And now when we play it, this is what we get. Absolutely brilliant. That is a brilliant cinematic text reveal. So that's how to create a cinematic text reveal in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.